So let's start by adding some water to the washed cut yam. I've already peeled and washed the yam off camera to make it very easy. Here I'm adding crayfish and habanero pepper with onion. I pounded them together in a local mortar. Imagine that taste. Next is ginger and garlic. Please, if you don't like ginger and garlic, kindly skip it, but you will love it in this recipe. I'm adding 2 cubes of Maggie, that is 1 knorr. Next is to add salt. I'm adding just a little of it. And here come our special oil. I'll just add some now, stir them and cover them, allow them to cook almost 70% cooked before I'll start adding in the next ingredients. So this lunch was a quick, easy and delicious one. You don't need much ingredients in it. So after some minutes, it have cooked for like 70%. I will just go ahead and add onion. I would have added it much, but you know kids with onion, so I just respected them and add little. Next is to add shredded or oil beans, which is Ukpaka. I add a vegetable. If you want to add fish, dry fish, you will add it at the very beginning, but in this yam I skipped it. I didn't want to. It was very fast and I didn't want to waste time. I added oil again and allowed them to steam for at least 2 minutes. Then stir the vegetable to combine thoroughly. Cover it again and allow them to cook for 5 minutes, and you have yam porridge is very ready. So tell me, in an afternoon when you are hungry, you look for a quick meal to prepare. Quick meal, when I mean quick meal, quick healthy meal. What do you always do, or which meal do you think is the most quickest? For me, this yam porridge at that point was very quick for me, and it made sense. Look at it here, everything is ready. Our meal is popping. It was very delicious, and I didn't fry it. I was really making a lot of meal at that time at home without frying, and it was nice. It was very enjoyable. Remember, it was the oil that make this very easy. Yes, if you have good oil, if you don't fry it, no cares, who cares? But if you have all this smelling oil, your food will be smelling and so on. I'm so proud of this, my oil. At least once in a while, I ate good oil. This is it. The yam is ready, and it was very delicious. I'll just go ahead and serve it according to each of all of us stomach, and we really enjoyed it. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching up to this time, hula, yes, type it there, hula. You did very well. All those my good friends that always support me, yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.